check out my new hotness. Wow, there's a lot of space in there. That's a big opening. Fit like 3 of me in there, maybe even 3.5. Younger models don't have this problem. It's too much. What am I gonna do with that? You're not even gonna know I'm in there. Look at this. Plenty of room. This behemoth of a vehicle I got for a steal. Got a buddy of mine who happened to have an extra car floating around. His sugar mama said, get rid of it. I want to get you a nicer car. So he gave me a steal on this bad boy. This is going to be my new frame and suspension for the F100. Let's go ahead and test it out, see how good it is. Is this swap really worth it? I need to find out how durable this bad boy is. Ooh, air conditioning works. Oh, it's cold. Look at that. Oh, yes, Alpine. That's a win. First thing we need to figure out is, does it have limited slip? Very, very important test. Very important test. Got the control off. Traction control still on? What? How many strikes do we have back there? Only one. She's a one-legger. Unfortunately, she's not a limited slip. Well, what are you gonna do? I picked up the car for cheap, so it was a hit or miss if it happened to have limited slip or not. Oh well. But easy enough for me to pick up a diff out of an old Mustang with limited slip on it and be good to go. Something I am super curious about is, how is the turning radius on these bad boys? I hear they're great. I see cops chasing me all the time, so they make U-turns pretty good. Oh my God. Am I gonna hit? I'm gonna hit. I cleared it. Oh, I did a full 360. That's impressive. That is amazingly impressive. Side to side. Pretty good. Oh, moving truck. Don't want to hit that. I am gonna lose. Ride's so smooth. It's a really nice car. I kind of feel bad tearing it up. A little bit. She's getting cut up. My truck rides like this? I don't know. I'm gonna have to make it a daily driver. Do a bit of an acceleration test. Let's go. Woo! For 180,000 miles, she's still got some good pep. Oh, please don't let the big cop that's behind me. This one doesn't have a tag. So far, so good. No police officers behind me yet, but he was a little far. Oh shit, that's a white car. No tag, no insurance, hot rodding. You know, one of their own cars. They want to come get it back. They're trying to take it from me. I'll never let you have it, coppers. It's mine. Man has evaded the cops. So this is going in the truck. See how good off-roading she does. Oh, I might set the scraps on fire with the exhaust. Yeah, something's burning. It's not bad for an off-road truck. No wonder why the cops kept catching me. I had to quickly get changed and clean up my look because the cops are apparently still looking for me. Wait a sec. They have no idea what I look like. I'm an idiot. By the way, all joking aside, this as a new suspension and frame for the F100 is a huge win. The suspension's a little softer than I like. A Crown Vic suspension probably would have been a little bit better, a little stiffer, you know, what they actually use in the police cars. But you know what? My engine that I'm putting in this bad boy is an all aluminum guy versus the cast iron that's in here now. So I don't know the weight difference exactly, but I'm pretty sure this one's going to be lighter overall in the end, which may be better with these particular springs, but we'll find out. But now comes the fun part, is we get to cut up the Merc to get to the chassis. But to see that, you're gonna have to subscribe. Yep, it's gonna be a future video. This is gonna call it here for today. Be sure to give a thumbs up, like the video for me, share it. If you enjoy what I'm doing here, share it out. Help my channel grow so I can do more for you. Help teach you show you that you can do this stuff in your home garage too. Just keep working at it, you'll get there. Go work on your own cars. Till next time, peace.